Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to make text pop in InDesign. Let's get started. At first you have to open your InDesign software. Now we can see here main tools here and on page. Now I am go to the shape menu, then click the ellipse frame tool, then draw a ellipse, press shift on your keyboard. Now you can see here the ellipse tool. You can add the fill or outline color. Now I am go to the tool menu again and click right button on the type tool, then select the type on a path tool, then select the ellipse tool, path, then write anything. Now I am write some text. Then select the text and increase the font size. You can change the font, otherwise change the style. Now I click this selection button, then you can move the text position using this. Now we can see we make the pop text on InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.